practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking. Yes, you are in the right place. Don't run away.
Please don't run. We promise no homework today. Okay, maybe just a little speaking.
I'm Anna, your friendly English buddy, and I love coffee and funny mistakes.
And I'm Jake, your confused but happy English partner, still learning how to say schedule.
That word is dangerous, Jake.
Very dangerous. My tongue gets scared.
Today's topic is super useful and super simple.
Yes, we are talking about daily English conversation for beginners.
That means real English, not textbook English.
Exactly. The kind you use at home, work, or when you forget your wallet.
Oh no, that's the worst feeling.
Yeah, your heart says, oops, and your face says, I'm in trouble.
If you are shy to speak English, don't worry.
Yes, everyone feels shy, even me.
Really? You talk so much.
I talk that sometimes wrong.
That's okay. Mistakes are friends.
Friendly mistakes, they help you learn.
So relax, smile, and speak with us.
And remember, no pressure, only pleasure.
Okay, Jake, let's start with the simple morning talk.
Ah yes, morning, my favorite time to sleep again.
Same here. Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead, Teacher Anna.
Good morning, Jake. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm fine, but sleepy, very sleepy.
Sleepy English is still English.
True. My brain wakes up slowly, like an old computer.
So funny. Did you sleep well?
Yes, but my alarm did not like me.
Oh no, did you fight with your alarm?
Yes, I pressed snooze 5 times.
5 times? That's a world record.
Thank you. I deserve a medal.
Okay, tell me, what do you do after waking up?
First, I check my phone. Bad habit, I know.
Same here. Phone first, life later.
Exactly. Then I brush my teeth, sometimes slowly.
Slowly brushing teeth is still brushing teeth.
Yes, progress is progress.
After that?
I drink tea. I need tea to become human.
Oh yes, tea is magic.
Without tea, I'm a zombie.
Haha, a friendly zombie, I hope.
Very friendly. I only eat snacks, not people.
Good to know. Now, let's talk about daily work or study.
Okay, this part is very real life.
Do you work or study, Jake?
I study, but my bed tries to stop me.
Beds are very powerful enemies.
Yes, they say, stay with me.
Haha, so what do you study?
I study English slowly, very slowly.
That's perfect. Slow English is strong English.
Wow, that sounds wise.
Thank you. I just made it up.
Haha, I like your style.
Wow, time flies when we talk, right?
Yes, I forgot I was learning.
That's the best way to learn.
Fun first, stress never.
Thank you for listening today.
We are so happy you joined us.
Practice a little every day.
And don't be shy to speak.
Remember, English is your friend.
A funny friend who makes mistakes too.
Keep smiling and keep speaking.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care and keep practicing.